Okay, it's time for board math. Let's pay attention, let's have a good time, nice and loud and proud. All together, here we go. B-O-A-R-D, B-O-A-R-D, board math, yippee! Read along with me. What number is it? 50. How do we write a 50? A 5 for the 10, a 0 for the ones, 50. What number comes next? 20, 21, 22. How do we write a 22? 2 for the 10, 2 for the 1, 22. 80, 90, 100. How do we write a 100? A 1 for the 100, 0 for the 10, 0 for the 1, 100. How many do you see? Okay, we sort of got a path here to follow, so let's follow our path. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How do we write a 16? A 1 for the 10, 6 for the 1, 16. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? Well, we have two numbers, so my first question is, are they equal? Are they the same? No, we got two 10s and one 10. Okay, so now I want to know which one is greater, which one is the bigger number. Since this has two 10s and this only has one 10, 22 is the bigger number. So we're going to eat it, and how do we read it? 22 is greater than 12. Number sentences. Please remember, we've got to remember to look at our symbols. Okay, read it. 3 plus 4 equals, mental math, fingers, or pictures. We got 1, 2, 3, plus 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Read it. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Read. 4 plus 3 equals, mental math, fingers, or pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus means more. 1, 2, 3 more. How many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Read it. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Remember, when we do adding, we can switch them and it still comes up with the same answer. Read. 4 minus 3 equals. Remember minus now. Do your fingers. 1, 2, 3. Or we can do our pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus means to take away how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1. Read it. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Please remember that that symbol changed this. Plus puts them together. 4 takes that, minus takes that 3 away from the 4. How many in the 10 frames? We got two 10 frames. Top one's full. That's 10. Bottom one's not full. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 and 4 is 14. How many more to make 20? Remember, 20 is 2 full 10 frames. We got 1 full, but this one's not, so let's fill it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. How do we write a 6? Down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. What shape is it? Here's a drawing. Here's a real one. It's a sphere. Sphere. Okay? How do you know? It's not flat. It's round all over. It can roll. But it cannot stack. No stack. Remember, you have to have two flat faces opposite each other. And also, it doesn't slide. You have to have a flat face to slide. It wants to roll, so no slide. What shapes do you see? We've got our circles we talked about. We've got our sphere. What about the couch cushion? It's a rectangle. Too long, too short. What about the tabletop? It's another rectangle. Too long, too short sides. Time for our word problem. Word problem. I'm going to read it through 2 times. We can do our mental math, but we also got to check our work. Here we go. Esteban has 7 chocolate kisses. He gives 5 of them to Natalia. Natalia keeps them for later. How many chocolate kisses does Esteban have now? Good mental math. Okay, let's get the important information. Esteban has 7 chocolate kisses. So Esteban has 7 chocolate kisses. He gives 5 of them to Natalia. He gives 5 of them being chocolate kisses, to Natalia. Natalia keeps them for later. Smart move. Keep them for later when no one's around, Natalia. But not important for our problem. How many chocolate kisses does Esteban have now? So we want to know, how many chocolate kisses does Esteban have now? Okay? Remember, yesterday I tried to fool you guys, but this time it's Esteban. So how are we going to do our problem? We're going to start with Esteban. What did he start with? He started with 7 chocolate kisses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He's got his 7 chocolate kisses. Then Esteban gives 5 of them to Natalia. So if he gives them, he has to take those away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And give them to Natalia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now Natalia has 5. How many does Esteban have? How many chocolate kisses does Esteban have now? 1, 2. Because 7 minus 5 equals 2. 2 what? Kisses. Does it make sense? It should. Great job with the board map today, guys. So Esteban, really nice of you giving Natalia those kisses. And even nicer of Natalia, thanks for giving me this kiss. See you guys later.